Lesson 18, Night of the Scorpion. Textual questions answer in text question 18.1. 1. Answer the questions briefly. A. Was it a dark night? Answer is yes, it was a dark night. B. Had it been raining for long? Answer yes, it had been raining for long time. In text question 18.2. 1. What drove the scorpion inside the house? Answer, does continuous rain drove the scorpion inside the house. 2. Where did the scorpion crawl? Answer, the scorpion crawled under a sack of rice. 3. Choose the correct option to complete the following sentence. The word flash means 1. A cowardly action, 2. A quick and sudden action, 3. A wicked action. Answer, the word flash means 2. A quick and sudden action. 4. Why does he call the tail diabolic? Answer, he calls the tail diabolic because it poisons the person it stings. In text questions 18.3. 1. Who came into the house? Answer, the pigeons came into the house. 2. What is the scorpion referred to in the third line? Answer, in the third line the scorpion is referred to as the evil one. 3. Why did the pigeon say the name of God 100 times? Answer, the pigeon said the name of God 100 times to paralyze the evil one. 4. Whose shadows were thrown on the walls? Answer, the pigeon's shadows were thrown on the walls. 5. Choose the correct option. The phrase clicked their tongues expresses 1. The pigeon's worries about the sting. 2. The pigeon's sorrow for the mother. 3. The pigeon's failure to find the scorpion. Answer, the phrase clicked their tongues expresses 3. The pigeon's failure to find the scorpion. 6. Pick out a simile and a metaphor from the above lines. Answer, a simile, the pigeons came like swarms of flies. A metaphor, throwing a giant scorpion shadows. In text questions 18.4. 1. A. How many times they said has been repeated? Answer, the word they said has been repeated 6 times in the poem. B. Who are they in the above lines? Answer, in the above lines they refers to the pigeons. C. Why did they want the scorpion to sit still? Answer, the pigeons wanted the scorpion to sit still because they believed that with the movement of the scorpion the poison moved in the mother's body. 2. List of prayers that the pigeons make for the mother. Answer, the prayers that the pigeons make for the mothers are 1. May he sit still, 2. May the sins of the previous birth be turned away. 3. May the suffering decrease the misfortunes of next birth. 4. May the sum of evil become diminished. 5. May the poison purify the flesh. In text questions 18.5. 1. The poet says that his father, who was a rationalist, tried everything. Why did he do so? Pick out the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Because the father had changed. 2. Because the father wanted to do what others were doing. 3. Because the father was deeply concerned. Answer, the poet says that his father, who was a rationalist, tried everything. 3. Because the father was deeply concerned. 2. Why did the mother feel relieved? Answer, the mother felt relieved because the scorpion beat her and spared her children. Overall questions. 1. Who is the I in the poem? Answer, in the poem I is the poet. 2. What does the poem say about a mother? Answer, mother loves her children more than herself. She wants to save her children from every kind of pain. Additional questions answers. 1. Who is the poet of the poem The Night of the Scorpion? Answer, the poet of the poem The Night of the Scorpion is Nissim Ezekiel. 2. How was mother of the poet beaten by the scorpion? Answer, the incessant rain drove a scorpion to the house and took shelter beneath a sack of rice, but unfortunately it came out of the sack and bit the mother of the poet.